Good morning, everyone. I hope that you're doing well. I just wanted to make this video to give some updates for this week. So we are in our last module, module 5. So we only have left a couple of activities. We do have to still complete the VHL activities due every Sunday, as well as the partner dialogues, and then the final oral exam, which are going to be May 4th through May 10th. Okay, so that is coming up soon. It'll be next Friday, or I'm sorry, yeah, next Friday to the following Thursday. So if you guys can please get with your partner and come up with a time that works for you guys in this time frame, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, preferably earlier in the week, like the 4th, 7th, and 8th. And that way we can get those out of the way and I can get those graded for you guys so that I can submit final grades as soon as possible. I did receive your guys' final draft for the compositions, and I'll be grading those this week and going through the oral partner dialogues to update all your grades so that you guys can have everything completed. Okay, if you guys do have any questions about grades, please set up a time to meet with me. There's a lot going on, so I have limited availability throughout the week. So make sure that you guys are sending me emails so that I can block out a time for you guys to make sure that I'm addressing everybody's concerns about their grades. We do have some more VHL activities coming up. So our last activities due will be on the 29th, and this should be the last activities that you guys have for the semester, and it'll be the last partner dialogue. Remember, the oral prompts for the final exam will come from something after the midterm. So it'll come from one of the VHL activity prompts that we have done since the midterm. So it's only about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see how many weeks. 6. So we'll only have about 6 weeks worth of, probably about 5 because we did the midterms here. So about 5 weeks worth of activities that you guys will be able to, you guys will have to study, and then I'll let you guys know ahead of time what will be the prompt that you'll have for the specific day or the time that you choose for the final exam, okay? So do the same thing as before, get with your partner. I'd like to have everything figured out by next Monday or Tuesday for the final exams. So get with your partner this week, choose 3 times that you guys are available, the 4th, 7th, and 8th preferably, so we can get that done. That way we can get everything finished and I can submit final grades by the 9th. And you guys will be already ready, for the end of the semester, for graduation, anything that you have coming up. If you guys absolutely have nothing available those days, the 4th, 7th, and 8th, let me know and we'll try to work it out to get it completed on time, okay? Because I really want to try by the 9th or 10th to have everything. So by the 9th or 10th, I'd like to have everything completed. So you guys send me that email and it with your partner copied on the email. So that way, both of you guys know what is the day and time that we choose for the partner or for the final exams. Okay, if you guys have any questions, please let me know, as we are getting to the last of the semester. So good luck with all your projects. And again, please review your grades. If you guys have any questions, please send me an email so that we can meet via Adobe Connect, go over things, and that way there's no surprises or anything that's left pending before the end of the semester, okay? Have a good week, guys.